Hello everyone, so the main progression of the song is just the 1 4 5.
Uma ngaxoxela indaba ongayazi ngicela ungathwala izandla ekhanda ngicela ungamangala mina ngaxoxela indaba ongayazi ngingangithwalisa izandla ekhanda ngicela ungamangala sengahlale ngiphethe isithombe sakhe ephaketheni ngoba ngihlale nginethemba ukuthi ngizobona sengahlale ngiphethe isithombe sakhe.
The song is mainly based on a pentatonic, with a major pentatonic scale. So on 1 you just play 1 6 5 1 and then you do an octave, and then on 4 you do a 4 2 1 4 and then you do an octave, and then followed by an octave on the 5. So that's just mainly it. Essentially that's the whole groove of the song. These are just extra ideas you can use based on the major triads. So when I say based on the major triads, just arpeggios of the major triads.
Angifuna uthi ngamanga leninto eyenzakalayo ukube nginamandla bengizovele ngifake emaphepheni vele uduma umhlaba wonke njengosheleni hlanyiswa
Of course there are a lot of ways to view these concepts, but mainly they are based on the major triads and the major pentatonic scale. Hopefully this helps someone. Do have a lovely day and a blessed one. Cheers.